How you can fix Instagram checkpoint required. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. So if you see the error like this that you are needed to fix Instagram checkpoint. So firstly, what you need to do, you have to open your Instagram app and then you can log in into your account. After that, when you tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then you have to simply tap on the edit profile option. Here you can see, and then you have to scroll down and then tap on the personal information settings. When you are here, you can see your email address and phone number. So here, if you have added your email address or your a new email address or phone number, and then you have simply add your email address or phone number without verifying that, and Instagram sent verification code on your for verifying your email address or phone number, then this case you will see that error like that. So what you need to do, you can simply open your email address and then you have to make sure that your email address or phone number is verified. And if you have after verifying your email address or phone number, you can simply you have what you need to do. If you have simply you are also simply facing the problem, you have to simply open your settings, and here you have to simply open the apps and then tap on the manage apps, and from here you have to open the Instagram. So type like that, and simply open the Instagram app, and then you have to simply tap on the storage. So what we are doing is that if there is a glitch or error that occurred on Instagram that allows the Instagram to show that checkpoint required error, so you have to simply tap on the clear data to clear and then tap on the clear cache and then tap on the OK button. And what it will do, it will clear that cache glitch or error. So when you again open the Instagram app, then you will find that error is not showing. But if it is still not working, you can open the Play Store app and then you can update your Instagram app. And if it is still not working, you can simply uninstall the app and then you can reinstall it, and then you can see that error is not occurring. So that's how you can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you next.